Welcome back, children, to lesson number 3, playing with numbers. Today we will learn a new concept in this chapter. Yes, LCM. Children, first of all, what is LCM? The lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers in the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. That means when we are finding out the common multiples of any number, from that the least multiple, the smallest multiple, is the LCM of those numbers. Children, here we will find out common multiples of 5 and 6 and then the LCM of 5 and 6. Children, the common multiples of 5 and 6 are 30, 60. But here we have to find out the least common multiple. So, the smallest common multiple of 5 and 6 is 30. Now, children, LCM of 2 and 3. In this, the common multiples are 6, 12, 18. But the smallest multiple is 6. So, the LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. Now, LCM of 5 and 3. Children, the common multiples of 5 and 3 are 15, 30, but the smallest multiple or the smallest common multiple, least common multiple is 15. So, the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now again one more example, multiples of 3 and 4. Here you see common multiples are 12, 24, but the least common multiple is 12. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Children, these were some examples done by listing out the multiples. Now we will do some examples by prime factorization method. Or you already know what is prime factorization, that the numbers used in this factorization will be all prime numbers. So how we will start? First we will take the least prime number which divides at least one number from these two numbers, that is 12 and 16, but 12 and 16 both can be divided by least prime number, that is 2. So we got 6 and 8, and 6 and 8 are again composite numbers which can be divided by 2. So we will take 2 and then we get 3 and 4. So children, here one number, that is 3, is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. So we will use 2, the prime number, to calculate it further. Then 4 divided by 2 we get again 2 is the question. So we took 3 and 2. Then again 2 divided by 2, 1. Now 3 is left. So 3 is divided by 3. Now what we will do, children? We will multiply all the factors, all the prime factors, to find out the LCM. Here children, 4 times 2 and 1 times 3, when multiplied, the product is 48. So the LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. Now children, here also we will take 2 as the smallest prime number for starting the LCM with prime factorization method. You can see here that 24 and 15 is given, in which only 24 can be divided by 2. So what we will do, we will divide 24 by 2 and we get 12, and 15 will be copied down as it is. Now again 2 will be taken and 12 divided by 2, 6, and 15 as it is. Then again 6 divided by 2, 3 is the answer, and 15 as it is. Now 3 and 15 are both can be divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. And further 5 can be divided by 5, which is 1. So we have to do this prime factorization method until we get 1 at the end. Now we will multiply all the prime factors. 3 times 2, 1 times 3 and 1 times 5, which is 120. And the LCM of 24 and 15 is 120. Now children, we will start with exercise 3.7. Question number 1 is, Renu purchases 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Children, you can see the last line, fertilizer exact number of times. So here we will use HCF, maximum value of weight which can measure the given weight exact number of time is HCF of 75 gram and 69 kg. So children, here we will do prime factorization of 75 and 69. You can see here the prime factors of 79 are 3 multiplied by 2 times 5, and prime factors of 69 are 3 multiplied by 23. So here we have to find out the HCF of 69 and 75. So the common factor between these two is 3. Hence the required maximum value of weight is 3 kg. Now the next question. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeters, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So children, here you can see we want minimum distance. So minimum distance can be calculated by finding out the LCM of the measuring steps given to us. So the minimum distance that each boy should walk must be the least common multiple of the measure of their steps. So here you can see we have taken all the 3 numbers in prime factorization method. Children, here we have started with 2, the least prime number, and 70 divided by 2 is 35. Other 2 numbers cannot be divided by 2. Then further we have taken 3, again 3, then 5, then 7 and then 11 until we get 1 at the end. Now we will multiply all the prime factors. So 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 1 times 5, 1 times 7 and 1 times 11. Now we will find out the product. So 2 multiplied by 2 times 3, 1 times 5, 1 times 7 and 1 times 11 is 6930. So the LCM of 63, 70 and 77 is 6930. Hence the required minimum distance is 6930 centimeter. Children, this was for all today. Remaining questions we will do in next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.